If you really need healthy hair, faster hair growth, longer hair, thicker hair, fuller hair, this hair growth butter is for you. And also, if you need healthy hair, length retention, make moisture to be your friend. In today's video, we're going to make the most powerful hair growth butter that we use to level up your hair growth, speed up your hair growth, help you for dry hair, dry scalp, and help for your length retention. But before we continue in today's video, please help me to subscribe by clicking on that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell once you do so. And also, please help me to like this video, and lastly, help me to share this video. My first ingredient is ginger. I've already peeled off my ginger, washed my ginger very well, use my paper towel to damp the excessive water because we are preparing hair growth butter. You don't need moisture to come contact in this hair growth butter so that the hair growth butter can last for you. So I will dice my ginger in a small sizes. Ginger helps to stimulate hair growth, help to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, help to promote faster hair growth, help to promote longer and fuller hair growth. So this is what I got after dicing it. Moving on to my second ingredient, I got cloves. Operating cloves in your hair growth regimen will help you a lot to grow your hair a lot. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in your scalp. Cloves can grow your hair balls, encourage faster hair growth. Cloves contain vitamins and minerals and fiber, which can help to support your healthy hair growth. So I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of my cloves. So I'll go off camera to use my local mortar to pound it. After pounding two of them together, this is what I got. Moving on to my carrier oil, I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil helps to moisturize your hair, help to grow your hair, and help to strengthen your hair. Use any carrier oil of your choice. My second carrier oil is my homemade virgin coconut oil. If you have not seen that video, please check it. Okay, I will leave it up here and also down below. Coconut oil also helps to promote healthy hair growth, keep your hair so shine and so strong. But in aspect of carrier oil, use any carrier oil that your hair love. Okay, so moving on to my third oil, I'm using almond oil. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of my almond oil. After that, I will mix it very well. As you can see, I did not put too much oil on this. I did not add too much oil on this ingredient. I'll be telling you why I did not add too much oil later on in this video. Moving on, I've already put my water in fire. My water is already boiling. This you can infuse it by double boiling method. Okay, so I will lower my light. Make sure your light is not too high so I will not kill the nutrients, and you cannot infuse it direct to heat. It's only double boiling method so that you not kill the nutrients of the ingredients. I will infuse this for 10 minutes. Once it's 10 minutes max, I will bring it down. Okay, and allow it to cool down. Moving on to my next ingredient, I got shea butter. This shea butter, I bought it in my local markets. Okay, so shea butter is easy to get. Shea butter helps to soften your hair, moisturize your hair, and also grow your hair and give your hair a natural shine. Okay, so I'm doing eye boiling. So I will use, after putting the shea butter into this my bowl, I will use that hot water that I used to infuse my oils. I will use it to melt my shea butter. My oil is already cooled down. This is my shift cloth to use it to shift the oil. Use anything that you have. You can use wig cap, stockings, even hanky, anything you have that have tiny hole. Use it to collect your oil. Okay, but I did not throw away my chaff, the chaff of my ginger and my cloves. I did not throw it away. Later on this video, you see what I do with the chaff. So this is the oil. I'm trying to squeeze out the oil very well. Try to get all the oil from the chaff. So this is what we got. See the oil that we got here. So my shea butter have already been melted. I've already melted my shea butter. So next thing I will do now is to transfer the oil into my shea butter. So I'll add that oil into my shea butter, but I will not pour all the oil into the shea butter. I will remaining a little bit of the oil. So later you know the reason why I did not add the oil into the shea butter. So then I will give it a quick mix, a quick turn up, okay, so that everything will mix up very well. So I will transfer down my shea butter and my oil mix into fridge, okay, so that it can be solidified. I not leave it up to 1 hour in the fridge. I don't want it to be super solidified. So this is what I got. Now next I will take my hand mixer to start whipping it. But if you don't have hand mixer, do not worry, just put it in a little container and cover it up, put it in the fridge, okay, to solidify. Once it's solidified, it's ready to be used. But if you have hand mixer, just grab your hand mixer and start whipping it until it gets fluffy to the consistency that you want. This hair growth butter will help you a lot to stimulate your hair follicles, okay, double your hair growth, and also keep your hair a long time moisturized. And also it will help to fight against dry scalp and dry hair. So using this hair growth butter, you have chance to double your hair growth, stimulate blood flow to your scalp. So this is the reason why I did not add all the oil from the beginning of this video, because while whipping your butter, it will later start getting thicker. So unless you don't want, if you want it that hard that way, no problem. But if you want it to be fluffy, like I got low porosity, so I want my butter to be so fluffy and so lightweight, okay, because later on, after doing this fluffy and lightweight, a day later it will still solidify more thicker. So I don't want that, okay. Whip it until you get to the consistency you want, until it double in size, okay. Once it double in size and you like the fluffy way it is, you can stop whipping it, okay. Combination of these two powerful ingredients, they are so powerful on your hair. They will level up your hair growth with no time. So do you see how fluffy, beautiful this hair butter is? I'm through whipping it. I'm done. I'm okay with the consistency I've gotten so far. I did not show you. I finished up the remaining oil. Honestly, I finished up the remaining oil. I did not remain any single oil after whipping this hair growth butter. So this is how my hair butter is. Do you see how this hair butter is? This hair butter is so beautiful. This hair butter will moisturize your hair, keep your hair healthy, moisturized for long period of time, help to level up your hair growth, speed up your hair growth, and also do so many other things in your hair. You need this hair butter in your life. If your hair is lacking moisture, your scalp is dry, your hair is dry, you have itchy scalp, this hair butter is a must have. It will help you a lot. The only powerful two ingredients you use to do this hair butter, they are very effective in growing your hair. How to apply this on your hair? Do not apply this on a dry hair. So the spray I'm trying to show you is the chaff of that ginger and cloves. So after collecting my oil, I pour in hot water on it. I put it in a plate. I pour the chaff in the plate, pour in hot water on it, and leave it for overnight to infuse for overnight. So I strain it. So this is the tea I'm trying to show you. This tea that I'm spraying on my hair, I got it on that ginger and cloves chaff that we use to infuse our oil, because they are still potent. So I do not waste it, because I find that they are still potent, so I need to still make use of them to still get more benefits out of it, okay. So after doing that, after using this tea to hydrate my hair very well, make sure that you do not apply this on a dry hair, okay. First of all, moisturize your hair. Use your herbal tea to hydrate your hair, or use plain water to hydrate your hair, but preferable use herbal tea to hydrate your hair, okay. After hydrating your hair, follow up with this hair growth butter. Use it to see in that moisture. So I'm trying to lose one part of my hair to show you you can still use this hair growth butter whether your hair is out or not. So if your hair is out, just moisturize your hair with your herbal tea, follow up with this hair growth butter to see in that moisture. So also you can still use it on your protective hairstyle to use and see in your moisture. Any type of protective hairstyle that you are carrying, make use of this hair growth butter. Grow that hair while that hair is protected protective hairstyle, and also keep your hair super moisturized while you still carry that protective hairstyle. You can use this hair growth butter daily on your hair and on your scalp. This hair growth butter is good on your scalp and also on your hair. There's no harm on this hair growth butter, okay? As you can see, we use all natural things throughout, okay? There's no chemical that come in contact in this hair growth butter, meaning they are safer to try and also they are healthy on your hair. Do you see how beautiful and shiny this hair butter is? Once I rub it on my hand, it's absorbed on my hand immediately. That is the same way it's going to be on your hair, okay? You see how beautiful moisturized this part of my hair is. This part of my hair is so moisturized, shiny, and also hydrates. So beautiful and lovely. So then I'll still moisturize all the other parts of my hair. How long can this hair growth butter last before getting spoiled? This hair growth butter can last up to 6 months. So far it not come contact with moisture. So if this hair growth butter, when you are preparing it, is not come contact with moisture, it will last up to 6 months without getting spoiled, okay? We have to store this. Do not store this in your refrigerator. Store this in your cabinet, okay, in a cool, dry place, so that it will be more safer in that place. Do you see how my hair is? My hair is so beautiful. Please guys, if you have not liked this video, you have not subscribed, you have not shared this video, please help me to like, help me to subscribe, and help me to share. And lastly, do not forget to leave comments in comment section below. I hope that this video is very helpful to you. Please let me know in comment section what you thought in today's video. I love you guys, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.